Hey, thanks for making it to Veterans Info Tap. I'm glad you made it. Hey, I've seen a lot of different comments and worries about Second Amendment rights when it comes to being a veteran. And, as far as different sort of maybe disabilities that you have claims in for, that type of stuff. People are more hesitant to file for certain claims for fear that they may lose some of their Second Amendment rights. Now, I just saw a headline come through, and this headline caught my attention, and I wanted to read through the article for you. I'm reading through it for the first time here with you, so just wanted to share it with you. Based on the headline, it seems pretty interesting, so let's jump into it. The headline is, Kennedy Moran introduce bill to protect veterans' Second Amendment rights. So what is this bill, and when did this get published? This is actually on Senator Kennedy's website here, and this came out June 8th, so a couple days ago, and just wanted to read through it. So Senators John Kennedy and Jerry Moran today introduced the Veterans Second Amendment Protection Act, which would prevent veterans from losing their Second Amendment right to purchase or own firearms when they receive help managing their Department of Veterans Affairs benefits. Good. Every veteran who bravely serves our country has earned VA benefits, and it's wrong for the government to punish veterans who get a helping hand to manage those benefits. So, not reading any further, what I'm thinking here is a fiduciary. So this is kind of spelling out fiduciary to me, and we'll find out. So, again, I'm going to start that quote from the beginning. Every veteran who bravely serves our country has earned VA benefits, and it's wrong for the government to punish veterans who get a helping hand to manage those benefits. Veterans who sacrificed to defend our Constitution shouldn't see their own rights rest on the judgment of unelected bureaucrats, but right now they do. The Veterans Second Amendment Protection Act would prevent government workers from unduly stripping veterans of their right to bear arms, said Kennedy. So let's move on through this, but please hit that thumbs up for me, subscribe, share with a friend, all that good stuff, because it's important to know what's going on out there. And like any of this legislation stuff, this is a bill that's introduced on the Senate side. If you support this, you should absolutely reach out to your state senators and let them know, hey, I support this bill. And again, I'll put the information in the comments, or not the comments, the description below. And again, I'll go ahead and jump back in here. So, veterans should not have to choose between seeking help from the VA to manage their benefits and forfeiting their Second Amendment rights. Our nation's policies should encourage veterans to utilize the services provided by the VA rather than driving them away by denying them their due process, said Moran. Under current law, the VA is required to send a beneficiary's name to the FBI's National Instant Criminal Background Check System, and NICS, whenever a fiduciary is appointed to help a veteran manage his or her benefits. So again, let's read that again. Under current law, the VA is required to send a beneficiary's name to the FBI's National Instant Criminal Background Check System, NICS, whenever a fiduciary is appointed to help a beneficiary manage his or her benefits. Ultimately, VA employees decide whether veterans receive help from a fiduciary. Kennedy's bill would prohibit the Secretary of Veterans Affairs from transmitting a veteran's personal information to NICS unless a relevant judicial authority rules that the beneficiary is in danger to himself or others. Senators John Boozman, Chuck Grassley, Mike Rounds, Dan Sullivan, Steve Daines, and Kevin Kramer also co-sponsored this legislation. So again, I'll copy, paste, put all this in the comments or the why do I keep saying that? The description below. And again, if this is something that you support, reach out to your senators and let them know that you do support this. All right, thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate you. And remember, if we don't take care of each other, something went wrong.